Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a fire hydrant. Let's start off by drawing a horizontal line for the ground. Next, draw a very flat rectangle for the base of the fire hydrant. Above that, draw two tall vertical lines for the body. And top that off with another very flat rectangle. Over that, draw a semicircle like so, followed by a rectangle on top and another square on top. Over here, draw a big circle with a smaller circle inside, and then a very small hexagon inside that one. On the right side, draw two lines that curve out from the sides like so, followed by a thin vertical rectangle and a smaller rectangle at the end. Mirror these steps on the other side with the two lines that curve out, a vertical rectangle, and a smaller rectangle on the end. For some more detail, draw some very small semicircles on the base for the bolts that secure it to the ground. And lastly, draw some tall arches on the top like so for some texture. And now you've got a fire hydrant